Cut me, bro. What in the hell? What the fuck? Wala akong makita. Sige. Cut, my friend. I am here in real life in cosplay because I have recently bought you. I have bought a fucking webcam, my friend. And now, my fingers are not fingering. Oh no. What's happening to me fingers? Anyway, I bought a webcam for the sole purpose of doing IRL shit. And speaking of IRL shit, I will be doing some cosplay shit and like, do things like this. And other than that, I will also make handcam streams eventually because my friend, my head is not heading, it's always spinning around like I will be making some handcam streams in the future. And speaking of, I will be doing saglit lang. Wait lang, may hindi maayos yung mukha ako, saglit. Okay, so speaking of handcam streams, I will be doing some cosplay shit before some big events or something. And also, I will be doing this. I'll be doing this. What is this, my friend? These are, let me open it for you, my friend. Ito ay tang. Mirrored yarn or upside down. Tang ba siya? Kita ba siya? Is it tanging? Yan, kita. Tama naman siya. Hindi siya mirrored and tang. Tang siya, my friend. Ang dami kong tang. And every single tang that I have, I will be tasting it on stream. I don't know when, but I will do it like eventually. So, puwing nyo naman nalaglag. This, I'll see you. Lahat ng flavors ng tang na makita ko, binili ko, at aking titirahin eventually on stream. Yes, I will also be making a video about that in the future. And hindi lang tang, my friend. Hindi lang tang ang aking titirahin. Kasi, I also have these. Oh, wait lang, nakuha ko na. Okay, so, hindi kompleto ang inumin kung walang itutulak. Diba? Ang juice natin ang ating panulak. Pero ano ang itutulak ng panulak, my friends? Itong nasa aking kanang kamay, ang ating itutulak. These are like only a few of the flavors, my friend, ng Boosh. Fucking what? It's Sky Flakes. I can't see what I'm showing you, but like I have like 4 different. Wait, for the cinematography. Wait lang. Here we go. We have 4 different Sky Flake flavors, but I have like 3 more sa baba. sa baba. Kasi nasa baba yung aking mga foods. We will be taste testing every single flavor of Sky Flakes that is commercially available. Sadly, there are other Sky Flakes that are not commercially available, so yes, very sad. Anyway, yun lang ang aking plan, and good shit, my friends. See you on Cosmania kasi ito ang aking susuot sa yes. See you.